Hi there. I wanted to share with you a real life story of one of the properties we recently sold that was a trust sale. This is the house, and the owner, who used to be a real estate agent here in Burbank, passed away. He had 4 children, and his daughter was the successor trustee. When I met her for the first time to see the house, she expressed to me how completely overwhelmed she was. The house was full of furniture and personal belongings, and she had no idea how she was going to clear the home to sell it. She happened to have a very demanding job that made it really hard for her to deal with any of this. My team and I immediately came up with an 8-step plan to help her out. The first thing we did was to meet with her and her brothers to help them identify what items they would be taking for themselves. Second, we had some estate sale companies come and give estimates on doing an estate sale for the trustee. Our third step in the plan was a pre-inspection of the home with a licensed, credentialed inspector. Based on that inspection, there were several important repairs that the trustee chose to make. While most trust sales are sold as is with no repairs, there are times when small repairs can help make the property easier to sell. We consulted with her in detail on that. Fourth, we came through the home and moved a lot of the items into the garage to be stored for the future estate sale. Inside the home were items of furniture that we wanted to use to stage the home. We then had our team stager come through and rearrange the furniture for staging. We wanted the house to make sense to the buyers when they came through and to look like the much-loved home that it was. Fifth, we had the house professionally cleaned and the carpets shampooed. Sixth, we brought our professional media crew to the property to do the photography, videography, and drone videography. Our outcome was great. We had multiple offers, and all of the buyers reviewed the inspection reports on the property before they wrote their offers. Steps 7 and 8 happened right before escrow closed. We came through and did a final appointment with the heirs to make sure there wasn't anything in the home that they wanted to keep. Finally, we had an estate sale at the home, and then we had the remaining items that didn't sell either donated or given away. We were able to turn over the keys to the new owners, who are just lovely, by the way, without any delays in closing the escrow. This is just an example of the work we do in helping trustees and heirs sell the family home. We don't always need to do all of this, but the important thing is that we have a plan that we can customize to fit our clients' needs. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you have a great day.